Hello students, moving further with our shapes chapter, the topic which we are going to cover today is of closed and open figures. Okay, so let us understand what is a closed figure. Those figures which start from a point and meet at the same point, okay, which start at a point and meet at the same point are closed figure. There are curves which are connected in the closed figures. Okay, क्लोज शेप में वो कनेक्टेड होते हैं और एक ही पॉइंट से शुरू होते हैं, एक ही पॉइंट पे एंड होते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर ओपन फिगर्स? ओपन फिगर्स आर दोज जो एक ही पॉइंट से स्टार्ट नहीं होते. दे डू नॉट स्टार्ट एट वन पॉइंट एंड डू नॉट एंड एट द सेम पॉइंट, और उनके जो कर्व्स होते हैं वो मीट भी नहीं करते हैं. दे दोज शेप्स डू नॉट मीट, वो कनेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक is of congruent figures. Congruent figures are those figures which are same in shape and size, which like it's kind of a mirror image. अब mirror image होती है ना, अगर आप किसी चीज़ तो वो same shape और same size का दिखाता है. Right, you can see in these figures they are similar in shape and size. Now let us look into this figure. Here in this figure 1, it is in similar shape. Shape तो similar है, size similar है क्या? Is it shape? The size is similar? No. So it is not congruent. Now look at figure 2, which is the green figure, right? You can see here. Here it is of same shape, but again the size is different, so even figure 2 is not congruent. Now this light green one, figure 3 of rectangular shape, both the figures are in rectangular shape, so but size is different, so even this is not congruent. Now look at figure 4, the red triangular figure. It is in same shape and even the size is similar. So here figure 4 you can say it is a congruent figure, जिसमें दो figures एक जैसे shape की और एक जैसे size की होंगी. That figure will be a congruent figure. Now students, take out your maths fair notebook so that we can start doing our work. Now write down exercise 4.4. Put today's date, page number. Question 1. Here it says draw two horizontal straight lines, two vertical straight lines and two oblique straight lines. Name them. We have to make straight lines. Straight lines बनानी है, line segment नहीं बनाना है, so we don't need to measure it, but we have to draw it with the help of the ruler. Okay, so here I have made horizontal straight line. AB I have made with horizontal straight line with the help of a ruler. AB. Then CD is a horizontal straight line. I have named them CD. Next I have to make two vertical straight lines. So vertical straight line, vertical is this way, the standing line. So here I have made the vertical straight line, right? One more and named it QRST, right? Then it says draw two oblique straight lines. So oblique is we also call it a slanting line. So here I have made two slanting lines and named them as M and X, Y, right? Next is question number 2 of exercise 4.4. Here it says join A to B, C to D and E to F by curved line. So you can make it any way, any type of curved line you can make, like I am making it this way or this way. You can make it according to you, but it has to be a curved line. Okay, like E to F, I've made it like this. Okay, so this question number 2 you will do it in book, and question number 3 says draw one closed figure using curved line in the exercise book. So here we come to our notebook, write down question number 3 like this, and you have to make one closed figure, closed with curved line. So इसमें curved lines यूज करी है हमने, और सर्कल आप ओवल भी बना सकते हो, बट कोई भी फिगर बना सकते हो, बट इट हैज टू बी अ कर्व्ड लाइन. स्केल से बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से ड्रॉ टू क्लोज्ड फिगर्स यूजिंग स्ट्रेट लाइंस इन द एक्सरसाइज बुक. नाउ पहले क्लोज्ड फिगर थी विद कर्व्ड लाइन. नाउ इट सेज इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 it says two closed figure with straight lines. So here I have made it with the help of scale like this, right? You can make your own kind of figure whichever you want. I have made it my way. Okay, but it has to be in question number 4 the straight line. So you have to use scale for question number 4. Now question number 5 says which letters in the English alphabet are closed figure, which are open figures. Now you have to tell which are in English alphabet, which are closed, which are open. So closed figures are, closed alphabets कौन कौन से होते हैं? D, O, Q. ये बिल्कुल ही closed होते हैं. Like if you say P भी होता है या B भी होता है, ठीक है, but B में 2 बार हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? So it is not. So we will write only D, O and Q. In open figures C, J, G and S. A आप कहोगे कि A भी होता है, but A तो यहाँ पे close हो रहा है one time, ठीक है? So we will not take consider A, ठीक है? A को हम consider नहीं करेंगे open figure में. So only open figures in English alphabet are C, G, J, S, right? Okay, clear? Now this is exercise 4.5, which is tangram. This as of now you just cross this. Okay, we are not going to do this exercise, this topic as of now. Okay, right? Clear? Now students, I believe the concept of closed figure, open figure and congruent figure must be clear to all of you. So do exercise 4.4 question number 1, 3, 4 and 5 in Maths Fair notebook, and question number 2 in book itself, and also do exercise 4.6 question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 that you have to do in book itself. Clear? If still any confusion you may call me. So bye bye and take care.